We are very excited to introduce the Sanctuary at Lititz Grove, a beautiful community located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, just outside of Lititz, spanning over 50 acres with 69 home sites, all ranging in over a third of an acre size. We will be offering 15 unique floor plans ranging in size from 2,200 square feet to 4,200 square feet, and all with the ability to be customized to meet your family's needs. The floor plan that we are featuring is the beautiful and popular Covington farmhouse. The Covington is a 4-bed, 2.5-bath home around 3,400 square feet. The exterior of this model highlights the vertical board and batten siding along with the wooden porch posts and black windows. Once walking into the Covington, your eyes will gravitate to the open floor plan, practical layouts that the Covington has to offer. You'll see our award-winning classic kitchen package with beautiful cabinetry and a large island that opens up to the extended breakfast area and family room with a fireplace. The owner's suite is located on the second floor of the Covington. It offers a lot of natural light and flows into the owner's suite oasis of our Serenity bath package, offering a very large soaking tub, double bowl vanity, and walk-in tile shower. The Sanctuary at Lititz Grove offers a spacious, quiet community with great access to the buzz and activity of small town Lititz, all with the ability to build a custom home to meet your needs.